New York, sorry, New York, it's the US. As example. Okay, I think that's enough. Also we can add another additional information as the contact us. It's like example for you to show up what can we do at this part. Let's scroll down to see what can we do here. Show newsletter sign up. If we want to show up the newsletter, we can click here at the show newsletter. Let's try to see. Okay, here we go. Really, it's amazing. Here we see the newsletter. Sign up for the latest news, offers and styles. Click subscribe. Okay, really, it's amazing. Also, here we see the MailChimp from Action URL. If you want to add MailChimp, find your MailChimp from the Action URL. We can click here at this link to show up what can we do at this part. Let's go to get MailChimp. Okay, get MailChimp. If you are going to choose the newsletter exactly, you have to make this settings. Get MailChimp from Action URL. So these are the full documents to show you how to, or to guide you how to add the link from Shopify to follow up for the customer with the registration at the newsletter. So that's all at this part. At the bottom here we see show methods of payment. Okay, here we see the method of payments. Show lines in the footer. Okay, with this line, if I'm going to uncheck this, then we see the line appears to be hidden. Let's come back again to show up these lines. Also, if I'm going to uncheck this show methods of payment, then the button of the PayPal comes away. So let's go back to check. Also, here we see only the method, the default method for payment. By the way, at this course, I will show you how to add different method payments. As you know, there are different methods for payment, like Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, pay on delivery, or pay with check bank. That's all. Finally, I'm going to make save change. Also, I'm going to be help you to customize your website, e-commerce more professional. So here you see the desktop, tablet, okay, and this is the looking for with the tablet, and this is the looking with the mobile. If you are going to show up your website through mobile, so this is the looking. Let's come back again here to show up the desktop. Also, here we continue. We have to continue. So that's all for the header, footer, type graph, colors. Now let's go to the home page. Click here at the home page. With the home page, by the way, the home page represents with different sections. It's also divided to different sections. Section 1, Section 2, Section 3, Section 4. So that's all. Let's go to the Section 1. Section 1 represents with the featured collection. Section 2 represents the page content. Section 3 none. Section 4 none. Let's go to add different data or to customize this page. Here you see section order. Choose your home page sections and their orders. So at the section 1 here you see the feature collection. Okay, that's all. Let's go to choose. Okay, I'm gonna be choose. Okay, let's go. Come back again. Feature collection, page content, featured collection. Here I'm going to choose the slides. Here I'm going to choose the featured collection, and here I'm going to choose the page content at the section 3. At the section 4, nothing to be shown. Okay, that's all. As you see here, we see the at the section 1 we see the slider. At the section 2 we see the featured collection. Featured collection represents the products. As you see, these products represents the featured collection. Section 3 represents the page contents. Let's scroll down to see the section 3. So this is the section 3 of home page contents. Section 4, there is nothing. We can, as example, I'm going to add featured products. Let's go to choose featured product. Be patient. Okay, there is no data until still now at the featured product, but also I'm going to be choose a slider as example to show you how to add any data at this. Okay, here we see. So this is the section 1 slider. As you see, section 2, this is the section 2. Section 2, section 2 represents the featured collections. Scroll down. Section 3, page content. This page content. Section 4, also slider. But I think it's not good idea to add the same contents multiple times. So here I'm going to choose a none at the section 4. I did that just for showing you just. Okay, that's all. Section 1, section 2, section 3. Also we can do a different orders, like at section 2 we may add page contents, and section 3 it will be featured collection. Let's show up what will happen. Okay, here we go. Firstly, here we see at the first section we see the sliders. Then we see at the section 2 page contents. Then at the section 3 featured images. Featured collection. So that's all. Let's scroll down, then go to save. So that's all for section order at the home page. Let's here come back again. If we are going to the site default, then refresh this page, we will see the content. It comes up. Okay, here we go. Here we see the logo, as you see. Here's the menu, and then the slider image. Then we see the section of page content. Then we see the collections. And at the bottom you will see the links. So that's all for this moment. Here we go. Let's come back to the admin. Okay, let's go to the home page slideshow. Home page slideshow. At this part of the section we are going to customize the slideshow by adding some photos for the slider. Also at this part we can choose the rotation interval or transition effects. So let's go to customize and manage slider. So here I'm going to choose 10 seconds for rotation interval. Also we can choose different transition effect like fade. Let's go to try to choose the fade. So this is the transition effect with the fade. Okay, that's okay. Here we go. Let's go to scroll down to continue. This is the slide 1. We can choose another image by click here, and we can choose another image by going to the desktop. I think clothes, the content here. Clothes one. Let's go to choose another contents like this. Okay. So this image it will be represented for the as main. Okay, this is this image. It comes up at the slider 1. Also, we can enable or disable any images at the slider. So this is the slider 1. Also we have the ability to add link URL or alt text to be shown when your mouse comes over the slider. Let's go to scroll down. Here I'm going to choose a different image, like this image. Okay, go to, okay,